Okay, today we're at Silver Falls State Park. We're gonna go check out some waterfalls, get some pictures, try to not get too wet. And anything else? You're already cold? How cold are you?
I think it's spring and it's still winter.
Looks spring, feels winter?
Yes.
Okay. So we got one waterfall out of 8 of them, I believe. Height.
I wasn't prepared. Remember, kids, bring chapstick,
Gloves.
gloves, food, snacks. We need some snacks.
Out of 8. We didn't really plan the trip. But, you know, I got some good pictures.
We also went outside and we walked some. So, technically we got a little exercise.
15 floors in. That's what my watch says.
That's enough for me today. I'm done.
Because I could totally edit this. Like,
You're totally kidding.
I'm going to like cut it up like... So it just looks like we actually know what we're talking about in like one short little span. It took like this long. We also kept the radio off while we're talking. We learned that mistake.
I hope you cut that out.
Nope, that's totally going in. For the people to subscribe and follow and all that.
Don't forget.
You gotta be like, click the subscribe button below.
I'm not being that person.
You gotta do
either.
it. You gotta do it.
It's right. Oh God, I don't know where it's at.
I'm done with you.
I can't even say it.
What? Subscribe?
Subscribe.
Subby? Click the link below. Please subby to the YouTube channel, you know.
That's a word, subby. I mean,
Subaru.
Subi.
Today's video is brought to you by Subaru. So we're gonna head back home now. We're gonna go get some food. Probably a food cart in Beaverton. And besides that, I think this vlog's pretty much done. Unless we let you know what we're eating.
Dance. Alright. To be continued. To the food cart. Bitches.